Hey everyone, welcome back to Nor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone SE 2020, resolving touch response problem. Let's get started. Firstly, we are checking through another display panel to ensure the display panel is okay or not. Checking through multimeter. It seems one connection is missing. Now go to computer screen to check the connection point. Removing the motherboard. Placing the board to motherboard holder. Removing soft and metal protectors. Now got to microscope. Now preparing the point to add jumper wire through soldering iron. Now installing the phone. And that's it. We've successfully repaired iPhone SE 2020 touchscreen issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Nor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.